Yo, what's up guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today. And this is pretty much the new series on the YouTube channel. So it's basically going to be documenting basically my random stuff. So, yep, that's pretty much it. So, I'm going to mainly just be talking about like the goals basically. And yeah, that's mainly going to be the main focus of this. And it's going to be strictly related to trading most likely. So yeah, make sure to sub and join the free community, link in the description. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to sub and later. Alright, so pretty much the goals of this little series I'm doing is basically just to show you guys basically the journey of my trading, to be honest. Like at this point I'm 13 months in or 14 months in trading, so I just decided I'll just document starting now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The video today, I'll just start with a little trading recap, which is honestly a pretty good way to start the series because I did take a loss today and I did make a pretty good mistake that I learned, I guess. So I'll go over that mistake and hope you guys take value from this journey I'm posting. And yeah, make sure to sub and join that free community, link in the description. So yeah, right, so this is the trade for today. So today I did take longs on NQ, and we'll just start with the reasoning behind this real quick. Alright, so first of all, this 1 minute fair value gap, and on the 4-hour charts, just give that a second to load, we have this clean liquidity right here, and overall we are bullish. So that was pretty much my reasoning going in the day. So I was looking for bullish, and this is basically what I did wrong. So you could see here we have this 1 minute imbalances on bearish, and it's respecting that. So once we had this bullish fair value gap, I entered once I got that confirmation. It could have totally worked. It could have totally worked, but the thing is, I could have went for something way more profitable. So this is what I mean by profitable. So I should have waited for an inversion to happen because it makes sense. So if all of these bearish fair value gaps are getting respected, I should wait until they start getting disrespected, if that makes sense. Because if it respects a bullish fair value gap, it could just easily retrace to a bearish, then go back in its trend. So I needed to wait until a bearish gets disrespected. So inversion, I like playing off inversions. So this is a setup right here, basically. Right here. Inversion happens right here. Stop loss underneath there. Then target these insanely clean highs. So let's say I was confident just this one. That's a 3.4 RR. But, and again, that's pure hindsight. I can't do anything about it. So that's pretty much my mistake and what I learned. Since I saw bearish fair value gaps getting respected and I was bullish, I should have waited for an inversion to happen instead of the bullish fair value gap playing out. So hope you guys learned from it, how I saw my loss. And again, if you took any setups, DM me on Instagram. I would like to see them. So yeah, I hope you guys took value, and yeah. Alright, and that's pretty much the video for today. Kind of shorter one, but I'm gonna be playing around, see what's best for you guys. So yeah, and again, I'll be trying to post these episodes kind of like maybe twice a week. I'll hopefully try that. So if you guys enjoyed, took value, make sure to sub. Again, this is episode 1, so they'll definitely get better further on. So make sure to sub, join the free community, link in the description, and hope you guys have a fantastic and lovely day.